just down the oak-lined private drive of Rancho Laguna sits a special property that is designed around the equestrian lifestyle. On the knoll, there's a spacious 3-car garage with a loft above for storage and a modest 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that opens up to the direct sunlight and valley views from the south. On the lower portion of the 3.94 acres, you'll find a commercial horse barn with 6 stalls, a tack room, an office, a dressage arena, and a large round pen. One of the very unique features of this home is that it is part of a local horse trail system commonly known as the Larkin Valley Trail Association. This association allows for members to ride their horses on the many miles of trails throughout this tight-knit, equestrian-focused community. Come take a look today and see if 400 Rancho Laguna is the right match for you. We think you'll love it.